guys, so we're going to start off with the H11 and 2H9. So I have 3 box dyes in total. So this is the L'Oreal Techniques High Color. So this is reds for dark hair only. So if you have any type of virgin hair that's natural color, this will work. Now I do use 40 volume developer to thin it out, so I'll show you guys exactly what I mean. Now with each of these hair colors, it is a cream quality thing. It also comes with a little bit of an additive, which you guys see in the little bottle. Now with the additive, I would just like to say to you guys, be very careful, just because the additive is where all the color is, so it can definitely stain your clothes like very quick. So what I'm doing is basically pouring in all the kind of like the conditioning formula, the base formula into the bowl, and then I'm going to take the additive and pour it in very closely to the bowl, guys. I'm telling you guys, this product, if you squirt it too hard, it'll splatter and make a huge mess, and it's very hard to get this product out of like walls, tables, and stuff like that. So when you mix everything together, it'll be very thick. So that's one reason why I use a 40 volume developer to thin things out. And the 40 volume developer also helps speed up the processing time as well too. So processing time for me adding all this stuff into the hair was about 45 minutes, and the color took very nicely. So I'm going to show you guys how I just part the hair in pieces and just take my time this time, because I didn't really want to stain the lace. So I just took my time this time around and just took each section by section and added the hair color to it. This is the easiest way without bleaching the hair to dye hair and get like that perfect little kind of like auburn look. So I will insert in the video some pictures of the hair in natural light so you guys can see the potential of this hair. With hair color like this, especially when you dye it the first time, it takes like a few walks outside in the sun for it to really activate. So this hair color is probably my favorite like style for the fall, and I think this is gonna go perfect for fall 2019. Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you guys how perfect this cap is with or without makeup. I like to point that out when it comes to MyFirstWigs.com, because their units, honestly and truly, if you're not someone that wears heavy makeup all the time, you can actually get away with this wig with wearing it without makeup, and that's just the quality of their lace and everything. So I am going to go in now with Ghost Bond and just adhere some Ghost Bond. We'll put the Ghost Bond down to adhere this unit down. Now you don't need glue with this unit just because the wig comes with an adjustable strap, and obviously you guys see that it's pretty glueless without the glue. But I like to have like a solidified type of application, especially for hair for you guys. I do show you guys some wigs that are glueless. I do have a few coming up, but this wig is glueless. You can wear it either way. You can wear it with or without makeup, with or without glue. So that's the great thing about My First Wigs. So basically all I'm going to do is let it dry, lift it up, and then place it down. As far as the styling process, just keep watching, guys. I'm going to do some fun little things, and I'm actually going to do a little styling tutorial as well, and have a great coupon code for a great company on styling products, heating tool products, or whatever you want to call. So stay tuned, guys, and keep on watching. Guys, so I am going to do like a mini styling tutorial in this video today. So Duvoli was kind enough to send me a 32mm curling wand. Now I have a great coupon code for you guys. The coupon code is Dominique to save 70% off of your curling wand, your straightener, or your hair curler. So today I want to do like a loose wave type of look, big loose wave look. I didn't want anything too tight, so I've never had a big curling wand this big. Now awesome, they do send you a little glove with it too to protect those fingers, but with me I only used this for like 2 seconds and just took it off because I feel like I need to grip the end of the hair to actually know that I have it in my hand. So this style came out very nice. It's very simple, just some really nice loose waves. I didn't want anything major and big. I just knew that, for the holiday season, especially since we're dipping in fall, that it's nice to have like a nice little design or curls or something for any type of holiday parties, events coming. So I hope you guys enjoy this so far, and I think that the curl wand set came out super pretty. The hair looks buff and the texture just looks really great with the whole entire style.
place, no one cares to. How many minutes I played and been excited over you. I closed my eyes and thought of us 100 different ways. I've gotten there so many times, I wonder how about you. Day and night and day, all I've got to say is it's about sugar, all the things I do to you. I can't get all of my school belongs to you. If I was your boss, the things I did to you, but I'm not.
Alright guys, so this is a finished look of this super pretty unit here. So this unit was sent to me from MyFirstWigs.com. I'm going to read it actually off the card right now. The name on this one is the LFW016. This is a Yaki texture, as you guys can see. Now this is about 20 inches long. I will do a 360 and show you guys how long it is in the back. Now this did come in a natural color, but you guys obviously seen that I did like a little bit of a burgundy tint to it. The cap size is a cap size 1. The circumference is a 21.5 to 22 inches, which is for me like a medium to average cap size. Now the cap construction is a 6-inch deep part line lace front wig, and this is a medium brown lace color. So now with this one, you guys can obviously see the part straight down the middle. It's super long, 6 inches. So this unit definitely gives you a great amount of parting space, mostly in the crown area up to here. On the sides, you do get like a little bit of lace for like the baby hair magic and stuff, which you guys can see I did do. But for the most part of this unit, you'll get a lot of the parting space in the crown area, which I appreciate from this company because it does come with a lot, so you can do multiple styles, side part, middle part, whatever it is that you want to do, you can go ahead and do with this unit. Obviously, you guys see there is like a little bit of a red burgundy type of tint to this, so I did attempt to do the L'Oreal Techniques Excellent High Color Reds only for dark hair, so it does work on dark hair. To be honest with you guys, I stepped outside and my hair was a little bit more bright or brighter, so I feel like with this type of hair dye, when you're putting it on dark hair, it does take a few days, a few moments in the sun for it to really activate. So I'm not going to process this again. I feel like I like the color. It goes really well with the Yaki texture. So I use the H11 Intense Red. Yeah, I did. Wow. Yeah, so I got one H11 in Intense Red, and I got 2 of the H9 in Red Hot. So I used 3 boxes of dye with 40 volume developer to achieve this color. Now you guys can see that it looks more red at the top base area. When I was dyeing the hair, I showed you guys I was parting it and then doing each section, so therefore I didn't get any bleed through on the cap, as well as making sure that I got all areas of the hair kind of like with this burgundy red color. So I do think all in all this looks really good. Now just to let you guys look at the lace and love the lace like I do, I think that this wig came out so nice. The Yaki texture on this hair is a real Yaki texture, guys. It's super nice, super soft, and it just gives you like a really pretty look. So with this unit, guys, it is 20 inches long, and I would say 20 inches is its real length. Now I do feel like this is about 150 to 180% density. It isn't super thick, but the Yaki texture does give you a lot of thickness in the rooted area and up here, which I like because I hate when the hair is ultra flat. So today I did do like some really loose waves. As you guys can see, I showed you guys my new Duvoli wand curler. So I'll leave a coupon code down below, big coupon code down below if you guys want to go ahead and purchase this. So this one is just basically your regular old curl wand. I'll leave all the specs in the video and down below. I wanted something that was a little bit bigger in size. I usually have a small one, but I wanted something that was going to be bigger so I can go ahead and do bigger fat type of loose wave curls to give me more of a glamorous look. And obviously, as you can see, this came out super glamorous. So let me just show you guys my hairline on both sides so you guys can see how slave to the god this unit is. This unit did come pre-bleached and pre-plucked as well, guys, but I did go ahead and bleach it some extra just because I'm super extra like that. But I do think that they did an overall excellent job on this unit. I do feel like the hairline, I gotta come up close. I do feel like the hairline looks absolutely gorgeous. I did do like light baby hair magic, nothing crazy. What I do is use the Got To Be Glue Blasting Free Spray to kind of solidify the area down. I did adhere this down with the bolt hold because I got a new bolt hold that actually was on sale at the beauty supply store where I go to, so I picked one up. So I used that to adhere this unit down, and then I used the Got To Be Glue with the hot comb against my hairline just to kind of make it look more transitional and nice. So I hope you guys appreciate how awesome this looks. And the red red looks really good, guys. I hope you guys can see it on camera. If not, I'm sorry. Maybe I'll insert in the video a pic when I go outside, but don't hold me towards that. So hopefully you guys think it's actually really cute. So this is what the hairline looks like, guys. MyFirstWigs.com has like really great units. This did come with an adjustable strap to it, so therefore it's pretty secure. So technically and honestly and truly, you could wear this as a glueless unit. You don't have to put the glue down, but for me, I like to have like an extra slay type of look. So I always ghost bond or bold hold my units down just to give you guys like the full effect. Now, I do really like this. Yaki texture is definitely a great texture for the season. So a lot of my ladies out there who don't really like the silky textured hair from MyFirstWigs or any other company, MyFirstWig has texture, so you can definitely go ahead and get yourself a Yaki textured unit. I know you guys are probably looking like, where are the contacts at? Guys, I'm giving the contacts a little bit of a rest now just because this weekend I slept with my contact lenses and I woke up with like really painful, funny eyes. So my eyes are super sensitive. So anytime that happens, which rarely happens, but I had a long Friday night. So I'm giving myself like a little bit of a breather. So here goes Dom's natural eyes for you guys. I always ask. So I'm kind of filming this with a little bit of a blur, but I hope everything looks good, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me take this down before I look super stupid. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys like this really nice kind of soft look. I did want to do like a little bit of a burgundy tint to the hair, so I hope you guys like how it's not dramatic. It's subtle, but it's still nice. It gives it kind of like that cherry coke vibe. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will leave all the information down below per usual. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe and share this video with your friends and family, people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.